In this video, I will show you how to make thousands of dollars with Fiverr affiliates without having any social media followers, without having your own website, and without having to invest thousands of dollars in paid ads. Today, I am giving you a brand new method that you can use to make over $9,000 per month in affiliate commissions for free, just by searching on Google and using this email template that I am going to give you at the end of the video. So, before we get into the video, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for discovering new legit make money online ideas daily. So, let's get started. First and foremost, all you need to do is just go to google.com and search for something like the best coffee shop in San Francisco, and Google will provide a list of coffee shop websites on the first page. Then, based on their search engine ranking, Google will display you some local restaurant locations around San Francisco. These are all the restaurants in San Francisco, and there are roughly 30 to 50 restaurant websites are included on this first page. When visitors travel to San Francisco, they basically do a Google search to discover some good quality coffee shops or restaurants, which they then book or visit. That is why every local business wants their website to rank on the first page, so that they may receive more customers or reservations and make more money. And that's the opportunity for us to make a big amount of money from each of these local businesses. And if you get an affiliate commission from just 10 local businesses out of the 30, with each commission of $30, you will end up making $300 every single day with only one search phrase. If I modify the search phrase from coffee shops to bars, Google will display all local San Francisco bars. In the same way, every time you search with different phrases, you will discover a lot of new local businesses. However, while searching on Google, you must use the following search string: best, then a business field such as apartments, shops, etc. And finally your target location. Something like the best apartment hotels in San Francisco. Here, the industry is apartment hotels, and the target location is San Francisco. Now, hit search and scroll down to the bottom to locate all of the local apartment business website listings. These are the local apartment hotels ranked on the first page, which is what every local business wishes. But not every local business is able to rank their websites on this page. If I go all the way to the bottom, I'll discover more than 7 pages of listings. So, if I go to the second page, I'll see a bunch of apartment hotel website listings, and the same goes for the third page. What you need to do, you need to click on this apartment, and then you will find their website address. You need to visit their website, and then scroll down to the bottom to find their email address. Usually, they disclose the email address towards the bottom of their website, but this website doesn't disclose their email address. Don't worry, we can go to another apartment hotel website, and see, this time we will find their email address. So, what you need to do, you need to copy these types of email addresses one by one and listed them on a Google Sheets file in the same manner that I have, which is a much better option. Once you have collected all of these business email addresses along with their names, then in the second step, come over to the PayPal website, because you will be required to have a PayPal account in order to get paid. However, there are other ways to withdraw money, but the easiest option is PayPal. If you haven't already created an account, go to PayPal and click on Sign Up right now. If you are just getting started, I recommend going for a personal account. Since a business account, it's going to ask you a lot of questions like, what are you selling and what business you have. You must fill these out in order to get the money, but if you choose a personal account, you will not be required to do so. So, go ahead and open a personal PayPal account, which is more than enough for this method. In the third step, I'd like you to go to Fiverr.com and search for local businesses. And Fiverr will show you a lot of these different gigs, which are actually going to help you achieve better results in search engine rankings on Google. This gig image clearly shows that this freelancer helps his clients in improving the rankings of their local businesses on Google. And these businesses want the same thing. They want their business to be found on the first page of search results. And simply see the reviews of this freelancer. He receives nearly all 5-star reviews for his service. Not only that, but his clients give him positive feedback. By watching those reviews, anyone can easily understand that he can help any local businesses to improve their search engine ranking. So, we found the expected gigs that we can promote. Now what you need to do, you need to click on affiliates. You will eventually arrive at the Fiverr affiliate page. They claim that, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. How you can accomplish that? To begin, you must register as an affiliate, which is a pretty straightforward procedure. Simply click the Join Now button, enter all of your basic information, but choose the account type private, and then click the next button to become a Fiverr affiliate. Then you need to promote Fiverr. They mention promoting Fiverr with your target audience. They are our target audience in this scenario. Finally, start earning. Earn right from the moment your traffic converts. Convert means we will be paid if somebody purchases the gigs using our referral link. And how much you will get paid, you can see that from the commission plan. Fiverr CPA commission. CPA equals cost per action. They state, we provide varied commissions from $15 to $150 depending on what category your buyer purchases from. This means that everyone who purchases a Fiverr Pro service will receive a $150 affiliate commission. If you don't know what is Fiverr Pro service, let me explain. If I choose the Pro service, Fiverr will display all of its Pro services, indicating that these sellers have been Pro verified by Fiverr. These services typically charge higher fees, such as $695, $500, $750, and so on. Although by offering these services, we get a $150 commission, we are not promoting such services because of their poor conversion rate. Here, we are promoting SEO category gigs that offer us a $30 commission. If we convert just 10 clients each day, we will be making $300 per day. And every month we will make approximately $9,000, which is really easy to make. However, there is one very interesting feature that most people are unaware of since they just watched the first half of the video. Fiverr mentions that your affiliate link has a 30-day tracking cookie, which means that if a user clicks on your affiliate, you will be paid with the referral sale for the following 30 days. This also means that if they click on this link and do not make a purchase, but do purchase something on Fiverr during the following month, we will get paid. Now let's see how to create our referral link. Firstly, you need to log into your account, which we have seen before. Then go to Marketing Tools and select Default and Deep Links. After that, click on the LP URL button. A pop-up box will appear. Then visit the gigs on Fiverr you'd like to promote and right-click on the mouse, then copy the gig URL. Paste the gig link to the pop-up box and click out, and your Fiverr referral link will be generated. Copy the link by clicking on the Copy to Clipboard icon and paste it where you want to promote it. Now you want to just contact them using your email list. And I've created an email template for you that you can copy and paste. You have the best, then add the field name. For example, here the field is apartment hotels, so I am going to change this. So, you have the best apartment hotel, but there is one thing missing. How to fix it? Here's how. This is the line that generates curiosity in the mind and increases the email open rate. Then say, hello, and add the company name. You will get their company name from here. Then write this line, I noticed your restaurant is shown in the search results when I search for the keyword. You must include the keyword that you are searching for here. You have to include the same keyword here so that they realize that you have actually researched it. However, it is missing this one thing. Unfortunately, it does not appear on the first page of Google search results. Here the first page must be mentioned because they know that their business does not show on the first page. This paragraph will create an impression that you have done your homework about their business. Then add this paragraph if you're interested in solving this and improving your local search ranking on Google. It's actually quite affordable, and we've assisted thousands of local businesses in making that happen. You have to mention here that you have helped thousands of local businesses to improve search ranking. This will create credibility. Finally, you need to add, we specialize in helping small local businesses to improve their Google search rankings for targeted keywords. Then add, check out our service in further depth to discover all of the success stories highlighted by the clients with countless 5-star reviews. This line will show them that you have already received 5-star ratings from numerous clients, and you must provide the referral link of your Fiverr affiliate here. They may check out your gig before making a purchase if you compose an email like this. If they click on the link, the cookie will be immediately assigned to them. And if they make a purchase on any Fiverr gig in the following 30 days, we will get paid. I hope you've learned something new in this video, and if you want to learn how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills, then make sure to click on the video that's on the screen right now, and make sure to smash that like and subscribe button right now. See you soon.